Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the Pepe update today. Pepe had some triangle here. You broke below the triangle previously when I talked about it, and that has already been played out. But now it seems like Pepe has one place to go and visit, and I'm going to tell you what exactly you may look at Pepe to move up to. Now, understand that when you break a support, you have to retest a support, right? And likewise, when you break a resistance, this was the resistance here, you have to retest that resistance. So you broke the resistance, you didn't retest here, you came in the future to retest it. Similarly, when you have a support and you break a support and you don't retest the support for resistance, in the future you're really bound to somehow come back up to retest what you broke and you failed. So the thing is that you do have a small pattern that is printing out like this, and hopefully I do believe there are very, very strong chances you're going to see a breakout, and when the break happens you're going to see Pepe coming back up to probably 15,597, and that's where you may actually go and retest this thing. You break above it, you may actually start off. And I do have a strong belief that Pepe may start the next rally and move up even to 21246. I just have a feeling about it, but we're going to see. It's going to require for you to break above the all-time high, and you break the all-time high, you have even stronger chances. But I do see, I'm not a magician or a future teller, but I actually have a very strong belief that we may actually see Pepe coming up to this technical target. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.